Yeah, Grandma, you want to come?
Grandma.
What is it? Can you turn on that light right there? Lori, can you turn that light on? Yes.
What is it? You want help? Grandma help you? All right. Oh.
What is
It
it?
is. What is it? What's in there? What is it? Here, let me help you. What is it? What is it?
Is that your new helmet?
Here. Oh, get over here.
It's your helmet
Look at
to
this.
ride your bike.
When we're going outside for your bike.
Okay, hello.
Yeah, we have to fit it to we have to fit it to your head, but
Check it out. Show Daddy.
Yeah.
Show Daddy.
oh yeah, so cool, Cohen.
Look at that.
I like it.
Really good.
See, let me see smiles for mommy.
Daddy has to adjust it.
Can I see a smile?
Here.
You have to put your chin up.
Look at Nicola.
Smile for
Smile.
mommy.
Cheese.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like your helmet.
That is
Daddy has
so
to Daddy has to make it a little tighter around your chin so it fits better.
That is so
Make sure there's some
Okay, you're all set
padding that
now.
goes inside the helmet to make it fit better on
It's
the neck, too.
yeah.
It fits him. It fits him great.
He's off. He's learning. Oh,
Slipping?
is it sliding a little bit? Daddy has to adjust it to your head so it fits perfectly.
And it has a cool visor right here. So it blocks
Yeah, you look
the
so
sun.
cool. High five.
Where's my hammer?
Fix
Your helmet?
Yeah.
Fix your helmet?
Uh-huh.
Okay.